Alright, Baruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the Holy Rebbe Elimelech from Lezhensk. This week's Parshas Vaera. Book of Exodus we read, Vayidaber Hashem al Moshe v'al Aharon v'tzavum al bnei Yisrael v'al Parim melech Mitzrayim. The Lord spoke to Moses and to Aaron, and he commanded them unto the children of Israel and unto Pharaoh the king of Egypt. The simple reading of this text doesn't seem to make much sense. However, Rashi seems to explain it well. However, we can explain this in another way. When people go to a saint to pray for their needs and ask him to pray for them and to bless them, for example, they might ask the saint to bless them, that they should accomplish something by a feudal lord or some other ruler. The saint might say that this prince, this ruler, this king, the prime minister, the president, the mayor, the governor, whoever it is, should fulfill your requests, and it should not be in any other way. It's like something that's commanded from the mouth of the saint that should not be accomplished in any other way. That's why it says that it commanded to the children of Israel and to Pharaoh. This they said that there'll be a redemption to Israelites who would see voy ba'atzmei al parai. This is a commandment itself to Pharaoh. Even though Moses and Aaron only spoke to the Israelites, it won't be in any other way. And it's necessary to take them out through this word and through this commandment that was said to the children of Israel, exactly the way that the saint decrees it, and it's very easy to understand. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.